Well, good evening, Bulldogs. Time currently 9 o'clock on this gloomy Sunday. This rain's finally making its way out of that area, but we are seeing some small spotted showers beginning to pop up even out here towards Coffeyville and Winona, just west of you. Starting to make its way eastward. Expect some showers. If you plan on heading out the rest of the night, go ahead and grab that umbrella and also a jacket. Temperatures now in those upper 50s. Some areas still hanging out in those 60s, but not much longer. They are going to keep dropping throughout the rest of the night. Fulton and Vernon getting into those 53, definitely low 50s. Other areas we're going to stay in those mid 50s. Definitely going to be a little bit chilly, especially waking up tomorrow. One thing I do want to mention about waking up is a potential for some fog in the morning. Have an early morning commute, keep in mind you could have a quarter to a half-mile visibility range, as well as some spotted showers, and those could stay throughout the rest of the day tomorrow. Some spotted showers, maybe just a sprinkler or two, nothing excessive, but just enough to put a damper in your plans. Thankfully, the temperature is going to stay a little bit more mild, definitely in those mid to low 60s, nothing too scorching hot like we have seen recently. Now, high temperatures are going to stay only about 62 degrees near Fulton and Pontotoc. Head a little further south towards Macon, Louisville. Noxubee County staying around 65 for our highs. Thankfully, again, we're not staying in those 80s, but you might want that long sleeve jacket, nice jacket or vest heading into the day. Now, rain chances and rainfall is the reason we've had these cooler temperatures. And look at this, Macon over an inch of rain. Same with Pontotoc, Calhoun City, and Winona. So we're seeing a lot of that rainfall, and it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. This purple area up here towards the northeast, that's up to 2 inches of rain possible. Even Fulton, 1.25 inches, Starkville, 3/4 of an inch. And that is much needed rain that we're going to see throughout the rest of the couple of days. I'm going to show you this impact. We've got 2 different cycles of rain coming through. We've got this low pressure that brought that rain in today. And then as that low pressure makes its way out of here, this low pressure is going to begin to develop over near Dallas and Texas. Now, what I do want to point out is this low pressure is going to follow this one and make its way towards Starkville as well. Tuesday afternoon is when we're going to start feeling the impacts of that system making its way through. Thankfully, nothing excessive on your afternoon and Tuesday. The brunt of it's going to come through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. This is when we have that chance for some heavy winds, probably some heavy rain as well. If you plan on getting in the woods, going hunting or something, definitely might want to make sure you check that forecast and radar as you're making your way out into the woods. Thankfully, Wednesday morning into the afternoon, the brunt's going to make its way out of here, but then the backside of that low is going to make its way down. That's where we're going to see some more rain, potentially heavy at times, but it's definitely going to make its way and make an impact being mid-afternoon on a Wednesday. Now, as we head into the rest of your Wednesday into Thursday morning, finally going to just make its way out of here, and this high pressure near Dallas is going to follow suit with that and then bring those calm, clear, and dry conditions back to our area. Biggest thing about this weekend, it is Halloween. Spooky season's finally upon us. And Friday night on Halloween, expect it to be spooky with a side of chilly. Also, temperatures around 64 for our highs. But while you're going out trick-or-treating, expect them to be in those mid-upper 50s if you're a late trick-or-treater, potentially into the 40s. Might want to make sure you grab an extra jacket or maybe a thicker costume if you plan on going out. Saturday, might wake up with that Candy Crush hangover. Temperature's going to be in those mid-60s for us. Thankfully, calm and clear. But after all that candy you're going to eat, you might need that. 7-day forecast showing Sunday we had that rain come through. And then Monday, we're going to calm down a little bit until Tuesday. That other system make its way through, and we're going to see about a 10-degree drop in temperatures, especially for our highs going from the mid-60s to our mid-50s on Wednesday. Those temperatures going to hang out through Thursday, but the rain is not going to. We're going to have some sunshine making its way back into the area. And as we said, Friday, for your Halloween, we are going to clear back up with temperatures getting into those mid-60s, and calm and clear skies is the biggest